Welcome to Science Zone. The 2020 Nobel Prize in Physics was announced last week. It was awarded jointly to Roger Penrose from Britain, Reinhard Genzel from Germany, and Andrea Ghez from US. They were awarded the Nobel Prize for making discoveries that have shaped our modern understanding of the universe and black hole. Nobel Prize is a set of annual international awards bestowed in several categories by Norwegian and Swedish institutions in recognition of academic, cultural, or scientific advances. Nobel Prize is given in the name of Swedish chemist, engineer, and industrialist Alfred Nobel. Nobel wrote in his will to give 94% of his total assets to create a series of prizes for those who confer the greatest benefit on mankind in physics, chemistry, medicine or physiology, literature, and peace. So coming back to 2020 Nobel Prize in Physics. The 2020 Nobel Prize in Physics was divided, with one of the half going to Roger Penrose for the discovery that black hole formation is a robust prediction of the general theory of relativity, and the other half jointly to Reinhard Genzel and Andrea Ghez for the discovery of a supermassive compact object at the center of our galaxy. Roger Penrose is a mathematical physicist, mathematician, and a philosopher of science. Roger Penrose proved using mathematical methods that black hole formation is a direct consequence of Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity. So what are black holes? Black holes are extremely massive objects which are capable of even bending light and trapping it in such a way that it cannot escape. Even Albert Einstein himself did not believe that black holes really exist. 10 years after Einstein's death in January 1965, Roger Penrose proved that black holes can really form. At the center of the black hole, there is the singularity. Singularity is the place where all the known laws of nature cease. Roger Penrose's article is still regarded as the most important contribution to the general theory of relativity since Einstein. Now coming back to the other two who shared the other half of the Nobel Prize. Reinhard Genzel is a German astrophysicist and the co-director of Max Planck Institute for Extraterrestrial Physics. Andrea Ghez is an American astronomer and a professor in the Department of Physics and Astronomy at the University of California, Los Angeles. She is the fourth woman to be awarded Nobel Prize in Physics. Reinhard Genzel and Andrea Ghez each led a group of astronomers since the early 1990s. They have focused on a region called Sagittarius A star at the center of our galaxy, Milky Way. Orbits of the brightest star closest to the middle of our galaxy have been mapped with increasing precision. Measurements of each of these groups agree, with both finding extremely heavy invisible object which pulls on the stars, causing them to move around at extremely high speed. Around 4 million solar masses are packed in a region no larger than our solar system. Genzel and Ghez developed methods to see through the huge clouds of interstellar dust and gas to the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, by using world's largest telescopes. Their work has given us the most convincing evidence yet of an supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way. So Roger Penrose, Reinhard Genzel, and Andrea Ghez are the winners of Nobel Prize in Physics 2020. Let's look forward to more discoveries in physics and science in general. If you find this video informative, please click the like button, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.